shout like that? The board is not visible. Listen, if it is not visible, disconnect and connect again. If you are not able to see me, disconnect your mobile and again join. Chandan, you can see me?
Ma'am, I can see you.
Joita? Shruti? Shruti, I am visible. Then disconnect and join again. Disconnect and join again. Shupratik, I am visible. Okay, those who are not able to see the board, disconnect and join again. Because you will write in the board. You will write from the board, okay? Clear? Yes, come to page number 25. In page number 25, the last we were discussing about the width of Narmada river, isn't it? Width of Narmada river we were discussing. Come to math magic. Come to math magic. Hey, why you have Skype that one? That is my one. Yes. Okay, students, now come to the book. Come to page number 26. Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself, otherwise you will not be able to listen me. Mute yourself. Otherwise my voice will not be clear to you. Okay, now come to page number 26. See, in page number 26, I am reading, you just listen. When they were talking about the width of the river, that means Ruby is saying that, wow, it's so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide it is. So Gopi, he is saying, oof, 100 meters. No, it is much more. Can't say. Now Gopi, he is just guessing that might be 100 meters or more than that. And then he is saying, we can't say this. Now Victoria, she is saying, it must be more than half a kilometer. Miss Asha, look, it is written, the bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that the Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. Now Miss Asha, the teacher, she is saying that, see what is written. It is written, the bridge is 756.82 meters long. Okay. So we can guess the length of the bridge is given. So she is saying that we can guess that Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place where they are going. At that place, Narmada river will be, or Narmada river must be 500 meters wide. Now, was Victoria right? Was she right? Victoria was saying that it must be more than half a kilometer. Can you say, is it right? Victoria was saying that it is half a kilometer, but outside it is written 756.82 meters. So is it right? Write the answer in the chat box. Write the answer in the chat box. Is Victoria right? See, half kilometer means how much? Half kilometer means 1 kilometer means, yes, exactly. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So half kilometers means disconnect and again join. If you are not able to see, disconnect and again join. So, see here. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, isn't it? Now, half kilometer. Half kilometer, that means half of 1000. How much? Half of 1000? It is
500 meters.
exactly, it is 500 meters. So Victoria was saying that it must be more than half kilometer. More than half kilometer, okay. But now can you answer? Was Victoria right? Was Victoria right? Yes, Victoria was right because she has told it is more than half kilometer. Okay. Victoria, she has said it is more than half kilometer. So, the question, was Victoria right? You will write yes, Victoria was right. Okay. Or skip this question. Now the next one. Sadaf, I just can't imagine 500 meters. Miss Asha, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. Hey, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Okay, come to the next one. Have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? Why is it equally? Okay, this question you will write of your own. If you have crossed any long bridge, you will write the answer. Okay. Now, below that, everyone looks down at the river. Mr. Rakesh. What is this? Listen. Listen, mute yourself, otherwise you will not be able to listen me. Mute yourself. And whatever question you want to ask over the chat box, okay? In the discussion box, you write and ask. Mute yourself, otherwise you will not be able to listen me. Yes. See, Mr. Rakesh, now what he is saying? The water level now is quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. He is saying when they were crossing the bridge, Mr. Rakesh was saying that it must be 40 meters below the bridge. Now Miss Asha, but in the rainy season the water had risen. Then it must just about 15 meters below the bridge. Okay. Now they are saying that in the rainy season, the level of the water, it will rise up to 15 meters. Okay. But in normal season, it is below the bridge 40 meters. Suppose the board is visible. The board is visible. Okay, see, suppose this is the bridge, okay. Suppose this is the bridge and this is the water. Now what Mr. Rakesh he is saying, the water level below the bridge is 40 meters in normal season, and when it is rainy season, that time this water level it rises up. Okay, the water level it rises up, and below the bridge it is about 15 meter. It is about 15 meter. Okay. Now, what is the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now? Now you have to find what is the water level difference. In the rainy season, it rises up and it comes here. If this is the bridge, suppose this is the bridge, the water level in the rainy season, it will rise up and it will be in the 15 meter. And when in the normal season, okay, when the water is normal in the river, that time the level is in the 40 meter below the river, below the bridge. Clear? You have to find what is the difference of the rising level, or what is the difference between the water level. Clear? So what you will do? What you will do?
40 minus 15.
Very good, Piyal. You have to subtract, okay? So start writing in the copy.
Ma'am, 25. Ma'am, 25.
Yes. Start writing in the copy. Page number 26. This is page number 26.
Ma'am, 25.
No, it is 26, beta, not 25. Water level is equals to 40 meter. Then water level in rainy season. Yes. Yes. Rainy season is 15. Therefore, the difference 26, page number 26.
Page number 26.
Yes. Page number 26. Subtraction will give you 25.
25.
Yes, the answer you will write. The difference between the water level, water level now, add here now. Water level now is equals to 40 meter and water level in rainy season is equals to 15 meter. So the answer will be the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now is 25 meter. Meters. Okay. The board is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed? Okay, listen, in composite math we have started multiplication related to this trip to Bhopal, okay? So you will practice multiplication. Now come to the page 27. Come to page 27. Suddenly the bus stops with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. 2 buses need to be refilled. Now suddenly the bus stopped and they see that there is a petrol pump and the buses they want to be refilled. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. Some children have got down to look more closely. Now see the children, they are very excited that how the buses are refilled. They are just looking from the windows of the bus, and some of them have just got down and they are looking very closely. Now the question is, each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill and there are 2 buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about dash minutes, which means they are late by about dash minutes. Okay.
30 minutes.
Yes.
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Yes. See, one bus it takes 15 minutes to refill and there are 2 buses. That means 2 bus will take how much time? It will be
15 multiplied by 2.
very good. 15 multiplied by 2. Now this you have to write in the statement form in the copy. So again take out the copy, put page number 27 and start writing. Yes, in whose house the sound is coming? Huh? From whose house the sound is coming? Shruti, you will mute yourself, okay? A loud sound is coming from your home. So kindly mute your button. Now 27. What the statement you will write? You can see the board. Listen, if you are not able to see, disconnect and join again. My voice is echoing there also. Okay, time taken by one bus to refill. To refill is equals to 15 minutes. Therefore, time taken by 2 buses to refill is equals to 15 into 2, that is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So the answer you will write, they stop there for about 30 minutes. They or the children, they stop there for about they stop there for about 30 minutes, which means they are late by, which means they are late by about 30 minutes. Okay, write it, then we will solve the next one. What happened, Piyal? Why you are sleeping? Hey, who is that? Repeating my words? Yes, why? Why, Shoptar? Why you are repeating my words? Ritomano, switch on the video. Ritomano, switch on the video. Ritomano, I am not able to see you. Switch on. You can see. You can see the board. Foro. नीचे नीचे. Hey, the board is visible. The board is visible. Let's see the settings. Hey, we don't have any problem. Check your net connection. Check your net connection. Check your net connection. From our side, it is okay. If you are not able to see the board, kindly disconnect and join. Now come to the next one. Who is that? Might be you have the net Listen, I can see you. Okay. So from our side, the net connection is proper. Check your own net connection. Check your own net connection. Might be you have the problem. Okay. One more question I want to do. See the page 27. Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters. Now one of the student, he is saying that the bus has taken 100 liters. Okay. So we have to pay 3,500 rupees for the diesel. Now look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. You have to find the price of 1 liter of diesel. For 100 liters, they have given rupees 3,500. So for 1 liter, what will be the cost? Clear? So write question number 2 quickly. Question number 2. This is also of page 27. This is also.
Ma'am, 35. Ma'am, 35.
Yes, yes. Write question number 2. Quantity of diesel.